Folks are going to keep watch of the sky. This guy right here, busy at it, looking at the tropics.
Yeah. The moonrise actually was beautiful last night. We did a little time lapse of it. But tonight we're going to start with the tropics because we do have Erin out there. Erin's just kind of steady as she goes right now. It's over some cooler water, but that's all about the change. And I think especially as we get into tomorrow night and Thursday, things are going to start to ramp up.
And I caught that thousands of miles away.
Thousands of miles. Yes. Yeah, it is not a threat to us at this point. I do think, I honestly think it does recurve and stay out to sea, but it's getting a little bit closer. Let's talk about that. You can see now the proximity to it. I mean, 2,000, I took a little measuring for our computer here, and it was almost 2,900 miles from Tampa. All right, it's way out there. But it is going to be, though, just north of Puerto Rico, it looks like, towards Saturday night and Sunday. And how close it is, it was supposed to be up here, now it's a little bit further to the south. That's what this forecast cone is telling us right now. And you can see it's weak. It only has 45-mile-per-hour winds. And tomorrow morning, we could actually start to get back up by 50-mile-per-hour winds right during the day tomorrow. By tomorrow night into Thursday morning, it's 60. Then it goes 70 by Thursday afternoon. And then Thursday night, really a 5 o'clock update somewhere in that time frame. Depends. It's going to see what happens. But we could have our first hurricane of the season. We haven't had one yet. Erin should be that. Erin should also be our first Cat 3, our first major hurricane. And that would happen Saturday night into Sunday. This is Sunday at 2 p.m. Saturday, of course, and you can see the curve starts this upcoming weekend. So hopefully that happens. Now, what's doing it is this big area of high pressure. It's forcing it off towards the west. Can't go into that, okay? But eventually, this is coming through. You see that? That's going to dive down, and that's going to help to cut this thing in half a little bit here. It weakens it. And then when that happens, see that hole right there? High here, high over there, nice little hole right here in the middle. That's the doorway that this needs. That's the trough coming down. It kind of pulls on this. Just think of almost like a magnet. Kind of pulls on it and wants it to turn to the north, and that's what it looks like will happen at this point. The forecast models, as I mentioned, they have come further to the west and a little further to the south, but they still have a really sharp curve to go to the north. So they're still seeing that trough there. Now the winds. This is as we get into Saturday night, Saturday afternoon, I should say. So some winds for the islands, but not a lot. Generally, those are in the 20s. Most of the winds off to the northeast center. And this is just the European model, and this is going to change. But I wanted to give you an idea that most of the weather will stay just offshore of those islands. And then as we go through Monday into Monday night and Tuesday, Bermuda. The GFS comes almost straight over Bermuda. You're going to get the right side if the European's right. Again, this will likely change a little bit, but I did want to give you an idea of the East Coast. You can see it's just a little bit of a breeze, and a lot of that is from a front coming through there. So looks like it stays offshore at this point, but keep checking back because we want to make sure and things could change a little bit. All right, let's talk local weather, right? A few showers and storms. Pasco, we've got one there just going right up 41 now, and you can see that southeastern Pasco has it, but that's kind of a good thunderstorm up there in northwestern Polk County. Zephyr Hills, Dade City, watch for that one to come rolling through there. Down into Hillsborough, it's up towards the Nonesassa. Manatee, we've got it falling apart with this line moving inland. So it just sparks a few showers and storms, and that's it. A couple of these will come back to the coast this evening, so we'll keep a small chance for rain here in Tampa, but that would go through about 8:30, 9 o'clock, and then we'd be completely done with that. 91 degrees right now, feels like 103. Those numbers will creep up a little bit over the next couple of days. See the rain chance at 8:30, and then it falls apart. So we'll watch Pinellas and Hillsborough for that. And then tomorrow morning starts dry. 1 to 2 o'clock, we pop up showers and storms. Best chance for rain really is about 2 to 3 o'clock. And then it really kind of falls apart in the evening. Tomorrow will be a drier day than what you've seen out there today. So good news if you want to get some dry weather in there. Tonight we're down slowly out of the 80s into the upper 70s. And I think most of the evening hours will be in the 80s. So just kind of warm and muggy like it has been. 7-day forecast shows rain chance 30% Friday. Thursday, Friday, 40% Saturday, 50% Sunday. But notice these high temps right up around 94 degrees all the way through the weekend. That means feels like temperatures right around 106.